How to use garam masala.
Garam masala is a blend of spices popular in Indian cuisine. You can buy it in the store or make your own at home. However you prepare garam masala, it's an extremely versatile seasoning that can mix into almost any dish. You can make dry rub for meats, spice up your soup, mix dressing for your salads, or even bake desserts using garam masala. Experiment and find out which combination you like best.
Method 1. Seasoning main courses with garam masala. 1. Apply a garam masala dry rub to meats.
Garam masala adds a strong flavor to meats cooked on the grill or in the oven. You can use it by itself or combine it with other spices like onion powder, pepper, salt, and coriander. Mix the spices together in a bowl and apply a layer to the entire surface of any meat you're cooking. Coat the meat in olive oil to help the dry rub stick. Make sure to cover the top and bottom of the meat. If you're cooking a whole chicken, coat the inside of the chicken as well. Use the wet hand-dry hand method of dry rub application. Take a handful of rub in one hand and sprinkle it on the meat, then use the other hand to rub the spices around. Continue this method until you've covered every surface of the meat. Let the meat sit for 30 minutes to absorb the dry rub.
To sprinkle garam masala into your soup.
This adds a nice spice to any soup. Take a pinch between your fingers and sprinkle it into your soup. Give this soup a stir and taste it. Add as much as you want. This adds a real kick to homemade soups. Make your favorite soup and sprinkle in the garam masala in for a unique flavor. You could also apply garam masala dry rub to any meats you use in your soup. 3. Mix garam masala into your chili. Mix up the traditional spices in chili by adding in garam masala. Whether you're using beef, turkey, or vegetables, this spice will give you an interesting twist for your chili recipe. For extra flavor, toss and rub the meat and vegetables in garam masala before cooking the chili. Let the ingredients sit for 30 minutes so they absorb the flavor. 4. Add 1/2 teaspoon to 0.84 grams to fish fillets, tilapia, salmon, snapper, and many other fish pair well with garam masala. Brush the fillet with olive oil or butter. Then rub it with 1/2 teaspoon to 0.84 grams before cooking it. Remember to rub the spice on both sides of the fish. If you want more spice, increase the amount to 1 teaspoon 5.69 grams. You can also mix the garam masala with other spices for a blend of flavors.